Adding a navigation menu in WordPress is straightforward. Here's how to do it. Go to Menu Settings. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance Menus. Create a new menu. On the Menus page, click on Create a new menu. Give your menu a name, such as Main Menu, and click Create Menu. Add menu items. In the left column, you will see options like Pages, Posts, Custom Links, and Categories. To add the page to the menu, simply check the box next to the page and click Add to Menu. You can also add custom links by selecting Custom Links, entering the URL, and clicking Add to Menu. Arrange menu items. Once items are added, you can drag and drop them to arrange their order. You can create drop-down menus by dragging menu items slightly to the right under another item. Assign menu location. In the menu settings area, you will find options to assign the menu to a location like primary menu or footer menu. Check the desired location and click Save Menu.